Hello again everyone and welcome to your Workers' Day weather update. But before we get into the forecast, let's take a look at the satellite loop for Wednesday. And here we see it was cloudy in places along the east coast as moist air moved in from the Indian Ocean that pushed in the cloud and even brought some light rain to some areas. High-level clouds, on the other hand, were passing over the Cape provinces, while in the north of the country it was another clear, dry and warm day across the area. Now we're expecting a chance for morning fog over parts of the Highveld that will burn up quite quickly after sunrise. It's going to be a mainly clear and dry afternoon across the country, and later on in the day as a low pressure system moves away from the eastern coastline, an onshore flow will develop once again, and that's going to allow for a chance for evening rainfall over some parts of eastern KwaZulu-Natal. And here we can see that chance of rain for both Durban and Richards Bay. As I've already said, that will be in the evening. Otherwise, it's going to be a warm to hot afternoon. Ulundi reaches a high of 30 degrees. Cooler over the southern parts of the province, and over the Eastern Cape we're also expecting it to be a mild day. A little bit of high-level cloud passing overhead once again. Temperatures generally in the lower 20s during the afternoon hours. Now it's going to be a chilly start to the day for parts of the Karoo, single digits for Beaufort West and Oudtshoorn. Otherwise, it's going to be warm across the Western Cape, particularly towards the western interior of the province, where Worcester will reach an afternoon high of 27 degrees. Sutherland, very cold at first at 0, while along the western coastline there'll be a weak berg wind across the area, pushing temperatures into the upper 20s and perhaps even lower 30s in some areas. Another clear, dry and warm afternoon for the Northern Cape as well as for the Free State, although cold at first for Bloemfontein, dropping down to 3 degrees overnight. A warm day for Welkom at 27 and even warmer for Vryburg in the northwest with a maximum of 30 degrees Celsius. Zeerust can expect a high of 27, lots of sunshine in the forecast. Morning fog possible for some parts of the central interior of Limpopo. In the Lowveld, on the other hand, clear and dry, Skukuza reaching a maximum of 32. 23 on the other hand for eMakazeni and Ermelo, and a chance for morning fog around eMalahleni. Moving into Gauteng now, it's going to be another sunny, dry and warm day, although cold at first for Vereeniging, 3 degrees as your minimum. Winds are once again going to be light across most of South Africa, but here we see those southwesterlies between East London and Richards Bay, and those will be fresh at times. Now for your extended outlook, and we're expecting a dry day across South Africa on Friday, partly cloudy and warm for Mbombela with a maximum of 26 degrees. And on Saturday, the dry and warm weather continues across the country, 27 for Cape Town, Sutherland and Mbombela, warm in Gauteng and hot for the Northern Cape, Uppington at 33 degrees. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a great Workers' Day.
Know more. eNCA.com